Dot School presents Factorising 3. There are a couple of useful formulas in factoring you want to remember. The first one is, if we have an expression in the form a cubed plus b cubed, this can be factored into a plus b times a square minus ab plus b squared. And the second one is similar to the first one. A cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. I guess you want to take note of the fact that when this is a plus, this is a plus, this one's a minus, and when this is a minus, this is a minus, same side, whereas this one's a plus, the opposite side. Let's find out how we can put these formulas to use in problems. Let's say you need to factorize the expression 8x cubed plus 27y cubed. And the moment you look at this cubed and the plus in between them, it should remind you about first formula, a cubed plus b cubed. Let's go back and find out what's a and what's b in our given expression. So if you want to compare this with a cubed plus b cubed, and the moment you realize that okay, a in this case is going to be 2x, because if you do a cubed on that, 2x cubed, it means 2x multiplied with itself 3 times. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. X times x times x is x cubed. Therefore, we have a 8x cubed. So we got our a. A is 2x. I think I should write a 3 here to say a cubed is equal to 2x whole cubed. Okay, how about b cubed? So what's b? Now, if you think about this 27 is nothing but 3 cubed. Therefore, if you do a 3y and cube that, meaning 3y multiplied with itself 3 times. Cubing a number means multiplying itself 3 times. Therefore, we have 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, and y times y, of course, is y cubed. Therefore, our b is 3y. The moment we figure that out, the rest is just about plugging in the values of a square, and b square. That's all. So if we can write that formula down again over here, a cubed plus b cubed, that's equal to a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. Like I said, we just need to plug in a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 3y in this formula. Let's just do that. So this is going to be equal to a plus b. What's a? A is 2x. So we have a 2x plus what's b? B is 3y times a square, which is 2x and square of that. So that's 2x times 2x, which is 4x square, minus ab. A is 2x, b is 3y. If you multiply these two, you get 2 times 3 is 6. X times y is xy. Plus b square. B is 3y. So if you multiply 3y with itself, you get 3 times 3 is 9. Y times y is y square. So this is the factored form of this expression. Let's do another one. Let's say we want to factorize y cubed minus 1 over 8z cubed. Once again, the moment you look at this cubed and you know there's a minus sign out here, the a cubed minus b cubed formula should come up in your head. Let's write that down. A cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b, same sign as this one, and a square ab b square. This one's a plus and this one's also a plus. This one's an opposite sign from what you have here. So our job over here is to find out what's a and what's b. Now A looks to be pretty simple. A in our case is y. To find what's b and therefore what's b squared to be applied in this formula, we want to compare b cubed with 1 over 8z cubed as given here. Look at this number 8. 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, that's 2 cubed. Therefore, we can rewrite this as 1 over 2 cubed times z cubed. That simplifies to 1 over 2z whole cubed. Therefore, b is this fraction 1 over 2z. Let's just apply the formula now. So this one's going to be equal to a minus b, a is y, minus 1 over 2z, 1 over 2z, in this case is b, times a square, which is y square, plus a times b, y times 1 over 2z, plus b square, plus, now what's 1 over 2z square? Let's write that down as 1 over 2z times itself. The square of a number is the number times itself. And we are going to simplify that in the next step, which is equal to y minus 1 over 2z times y square plus y over 2z plus 1 over 2 times 2 is 4, z times z is z square. This is the factored form of this expression out here.